Oh, hey. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's been a while. I'm back from the depths of something. Hey everybody, it's Matt. Just gonna turn that music down a punch. It has been a while since I've uploaded to YouTube. Here I am though. We're gonna try a new format. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. I know things are pretty scary and kind of crazy right now, but we'll get through this together. Like a tortoise in its shell, we'll wait for the danger to pass. But in the meantime, we've got to keep things going, and with a lot of cons being canceled or moved or rescheduled, I gotta do something with my time, aside from, work. Hope you appreciate my super wrinkly GAMERA shirt. I actually got this at the GAMERA DNA event in Kamata last year. This is a design by Shinji Nishikawa, or MASH as he's known, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, I want to do a quick GAMERA themed video because who doesn't love GAMERA? The whole thing is kicked off mostly, if I can get this out of... Oh, come on. There we go. The whole thing is kicked off because I got something in the mail today. Yes, I already opened it, but I haven't dug it out yet because there's like peanuts in here. But yeah, just so y'all know, I got a box set coming out, a Blu-ray box set. It's the GAMERA Complete Collection on Arrow's fancy new Blu-ray set thing. It's going to include a bunch of artwork that I did. It includes The Last Hope, which is a short GAMERA comic I made a couple of years ago, which is finally getting a Western English language official release. As well as it's going to have the Dark Horse GAMERA comic. It's going to have a bunch of stuff. It's going to be a tremendous release. It's coming out in July. I'll post a link below. Again, I know things are crazy right now, but if you can go ahead and throw down a pre-order for it, that would be a tremendous help. I'm so excited for the set. I have never worked harder on something, except maybe back when I was working on Rulers of Earth and I was staying up until 4 a.m. every single day. Pretty close, though. I'm also doing a commentary track, but the real reason I wanted to make a video is because, well, the real reason is... No, turtles. It's about turtles. So the first thing I wanted to show off is... I can get it out. Oh, God. Okay, here it is. It's the new GAMERA Bandai figure. Now, unfortunately, right now, a lot of shipments from Japan are delayed because, there's just not many flights going to and from Japan and America as of this recording. Hopefully that'll be rectified in the future. But it's very fortunate that an eBayer in New Jersey happened to get a couple of these guys in. So this is the new Bandai GAMERA Movie Monster series figure. I'm actually going to turn on a light. Ooh, nice mysterious music. Isn't that fun? This might be one of my favorite new... We're turning that off. This might be one of my favorite new Bandai figures to come out in recent memory. I actually saw the prototype of this at the GAMERA DNA event in Kamata. It's based on the 1995 version of the character. It even has the classic tag on it, which is really neat. And just look at it. I mean, the sculpt is amazing. It's comparable to the Monster Arts figure. Okay, I opened up my blinds so I could get a little bit better lighting, but yeah, it's not much better. But it's something at least. You can really appreciate some of the detailing here on the GAMERA toy. It's an action figure. Ooh. But yeah, really, I love this super retro tag art. Isn't that really fun? And I also brought out a couple of my other GAMERAs. The big point of comparison is actually the old 1995 GAMERA Bandai figure. This is actually, I think, the first Bandai figure I ever owned. I got this when I was a kid from Heroes and Fantasies in San Antonio, Texas. And you can see that they're both still pretty screen accurate in their own ways. I would say this one's a little more screen accurate, even though it's a little darker. Put it over here so y'all can appreciate the detail a little more. It's also a little smaller than the older 8-inch 1995 figure. But I love this toy. It's got all these paint scratches on the back because I used to throw it against the wall when it was fighting Gauss. But here's the 1997 GAMERA 2 Bandai figure. They're actually pretty nicely in scale with each other. Of course, GAMERA 3 is supposed to be the biggest of all three. He's actually a little smaller than the 1995 GAMERA, but I really like this figure because he's translucent. Look at that. Ooh. And then, of course, I have the 1965 GAMERA, which came out at a certain point. You can really appreciate the differences between the two and the comparisons. Also, just for fun, I wanted to show this off. This is, I don't know, I think I got this at G-Fest. It's a GAMERA 95, like, special promotional plaque. I think this was given to, like, people who worked on the promotion of the film or something, or people who worked on the cast and crew. I need to figure out where this came from. But yeah, I just wanted to share this cool new Bandai figure I got. I was very lucky to be able to track this one down. Hopefully you can find one too. There's a couple of sellers in the States that have been getting them, so keep an eye out. And if you order yours from Japan, give it some time. It's probably going to take a while to get out. Yeah, I wanted to share this little bright spot for everyone. I know everyone's having a tough time. You know, and of course I want to thank everybody who still goes out to work. It's, you know, if you're an essential worker, really appreciate the work you're doing. People at doctor's office, grocers, the post office, of course, people at UPS and FedEx. God bless the poor Amazon workers who are just, you know, there's no question Amazon is a little bit of a garbage company, but the workers deserve your full respect for putting up with what they do. So, big ups to them. I hope that you're all staying safe. GAMERA, yay! Like I said, I opened up my Patreon, by the way. I reopened it. Patreon.com/MattFrankArt. I'll put a link in the description. Keeping things real simple because, like I said, I can't come to you right now, so I'm going to be posting more videos. I finally have a setup for doing drawing videos. I'm still figuring out how to save videos and stuff, but keep an eye on my Twitch stream. I've been doing more Twitch stream stuff. I've got some virtual cons. I just did Virtua Con a couple of, like last weekend, I think. And I'm doing another con fairly soon. So keep an eye open for all that. You know, follow me on Twitter and Facebook and all that nonsense. Yeah, probably gonna be taking commissions real soon too. So keep an eye open for that. Yeah, but anyway, thanks everybody. Stay safe out there. Check in on your friends and family, you know, make sure everybody's staying safe, and we're gonna get through this, guys, just like a turtle. Like a turtly friend, because I got these turtly friends, and they're all here to support you in your turtly endeavors. Am I not turtly enough for you? Is this turtly enough? Wait, hold on. I want to get the new one front and center. Good Lord. Oh, God. This has all gone pear-shaped. God. Turtles.